Alright, so this piece was from the last time I posted a video on the Plymouth here. So this is the inner rocker that I went ahead and made, and I did get all the holes punched here so I get the spot welds in. One of the things that I found whenever I started back on the project here is this end was missing. So whenever I went to fit this piece, it didn't fit, so I had to weld another piece in here to get it to fit. So it's pretty much ready to install. So let's get it installed, and I'll show you how it fits. It fits pretty decent from what I can see so far. As you can see, it actually fits pretty well. Everything seems to line up all right, so I think we're going to go ahead and get it tacked in. I don't like to weld all these completely up on the first pass. You know, you get quite a bit of heat into this, and you got to watch for warpage. Although there is a lot of curves and bends in this, it probably wouldn't warp. But one thing I learned with auto body is definitely take your time. So I'm just going to let it cool for a little bit. It's almost cool enough now. But then I'll come back in and fill these up and get everything sanded down here, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I figured I'd bring you in and show you. I got all this done here. This piece is all welded in. Everything looks pretty good now. You can see it did turn out pretty good. We're going to get these cross braces welded in probably next. And then we'll start working on the floor pan and getting this all put in here. But I just wanted to show you quick that this guy had some issues here. It was real thin. It was all wore out. You know, the rust cancer kind of got it. So I replaced this piece in here. And this one here wasn't as bad. It only had a few pinholes. The metal seems still good in it, so we're just going to go with that. So like I said, next thing we're going to do is get these two cross members put back in, and then we'll start working on the floor pan here. I want to point out, whenever I cut this cross brace out, you can tell everything twists and everything. So whenever you put it back in, since this is a mounting hole for the frame, you need to make sure you got your hole centered up. So we're going to take a measure off of this one to the front one. Then we're going to compare it to the other side. We're also going to compare it to this one back here, and probably do a square measurement just to make sure that this hole's in the proper location. Alright, you can see I got the X-brace out. I finally got them out. What you can see now is, you can see I got all the cross pieces and the cross members and stuff put back in, the support pieces, all that stuff's in. Everything's done here. Now it's going to start working on the floorboards, trying to get these all in. This piece I already have kind of tacked in. It was tacked in a long while ago, but it needs finished up. And then we'll start working on the floorboard here, and then start working our way back. I got to make a sill plate here, and this sill plate don't look too great either, so I might end up cutting it across here and maybe here, and then getting that fixed up too. But if I turn you around here, you can see everything's done in here, nice welded. Everything seems solid now, so let's start working on the floor pan.